Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. The VIP Pancakes with Santa event was a crushing success, and all thanks to you. And thank you so much for Fortified Title and Dash Home Loans, our preferred vendors. They absolutely are incredible throughout the year. We're so thankful for them. This event would not be made possible without them and all of you. I wish you and your family a very happy holiday season. Thank you so much for coming. Can't wait to see you soon.